Hello guys, welcome to day 3 of our journey through how to design a funeral book. That's a complete one as well. So this last week we learned about how to design the funeral book cover. So as you can see on your screen, this is what we design. I hope you were able to design too, and if you are not, practice make man perfect. Continue to practice. Today we are going to learn how to design the first page and the last page. Now the last page will be 12 and the first page will be number 1. So without much time ado, let's get started. So now, as usual, you go to the file, then you go to print, then you choose A3. To make sure that the A3 is in, the orientation is in landscape, then you click OK. Very good. So now our document is ready here. So we want to divide this document into 2 equal parts as we did to the other one. So you come to view, then you come to new guide layout. So as I taught you yesterday, the column is what we want to divide, so we only tick only the column. Then if you want rows, you can tick rows, the number of columns or the number of space that you want to divide. You just type, it will come. Very good. So now we have divided into 2 equal parts here. Very good. So for the background here, I didn't use this plain white. I used a design background which I downloaded from the internet, and all the resources will be under the description below, so you can download and follow along. Very good. So let me go and bring in my image here. Very good. So this is my image, the background for the inside. So I'll make sure I'll rotate it. I'll click once, then I'll right click on the image, I'll rotate anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Very good. So I'll make sure that I'll fill this with the other half here. Nice one. Then from there I will duplicate it by either I'll press on Alt, then I'll drag and drop, or I'll just click undo. Yes, or I'll just right click and duplicate, or I'll just press Ctrl+J. So let me press Ctrl+J, then I have a duplicate here. Very good. Very good. Make sure that it fills every part of the list. Nice one. So I have my background is ready, so I'll select all of them, and I'll lock it so that it won't interact with any of my objects. Very good. So we have page 1 and page 2. Very good. So let us design our page numbers here. So so you select your shape tool here, then you change the color to, I think this color is good. Yes, this color is good. Very good. So now this is my first shape here. So I'll make sure that there is no stroke on it, so I'll choose no stroke. Very good. Then I'll number it number 1. Very good. Number 1 here. Number 1 here. My text is very small, so let me increase it to, I think, 18 also. 24 will do. 24. Nice one. So I'll bring it into here. I think there's the font is impact is good. So I have my number 1 here. Nice one. And you can see that I've written enlarging memory in loving memory of the late Oba Penny Grace. Penny Grace Prechum here. Okay, so let me change the color to color white, a color the same color with the head of my color picker here. Then I'll change the font to, let me change the font to Time New Romance here. Yes, very good. Then I'll italize it. Nice one. So I'll make sure the size is small. I think 10 will do. Then I'll bring it here. I'll make it 8. I want it to be very small. Yes. Then I'll put a small and I'll draw a line under it, and the color will be the same color. Very good. That's it. So now our first page is ready. So we want to do the same here. So what we are going to do is that we will select all of them here. Then with the head of Alt, I'll press Alt on the keyboard. I'll drag and drop. Then to make a duplicate for me here. Yes. So I have a duplicate here. Then all that I will do is that I will change the color. I will change the text. I'll edit the text. I'll add to, well, this page is number 12, P12. Very good. So now let's move on to the main heading here. So you can see there is I use a rectangular box here. So I will draw this here. Let me zoom for you to see it well. Here. Nice one. So here you can see there is a you can see there is the corner is rounded. So there are two ways of doing it. You can see if you are using 2019 and above, you can see there is some small circle here that as I put the mouse on it, it's the cursor will change to an arc. Yes, you can see there is a small arc there. It means that you can run the corner from there. So as I click, then I click and drag, it will round the corner for me. Very good. And you can also do it here. You can come to properties here, and you cannot find a property. You go to Windows, then you check on property, it will come. Very good. Then you see that the changes that I did, it has affected the corners here. So anytime I do another change, it will also affect it here. So that's the way you can do it. Very good. So then let me change the color to the color of the shape too. Yes, this color is okay, the same color as the other one. Very good. Now, so you can see there is another shape under this, that same shape. So I'll duplicate the shape here. Very good. Now I'll select the first one, not the copy one. The first one is under the copy one. So I'll, with the help of my arrow down key, yes, I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down here. Yes. So let me select all of them and then remove make sure that there is no stroke on it. Very good. So I'll select the down one here, the down one, then I'll change the color. I will change the color to, I think this color is okay. Very good. Now let me bring it, let me send it to the top small. Alright, so it's left with our order of service. So I'll just use my type to, then I'll type order of service. Okay, order of service. So I'll bring it here. I'll bring it here, then I'll just, very good. So let me go to my spacing here and I'll make it auto. Very good. So now I'll make it auto. Yes. So now order of service. Then I'll make it big, small. Very good. The font is impact, and you can see we have some vintage flora below this one. It's the same thing that we used for this. Okay, no, so let me go and bring another one here. Where is it? Yes, this one here. So let me bring it into Photoshop here. Then very good. We are going to use this one. So I'll cut here. I'll make sure that I'll cut here. Then I'll bring it. I'll drag into my project here. Then with the help of my magic eraser I'll remove the white background from it here. Very good. Nice one. Then I'll make it small. After that I'll change the color to color white. So you come to make sure that this image or this layer is selected. Then you go to FX, you go to color overlay, then you change the color to color white. It's already in color white, so if it's in other color, then you just change it to color white. Nice one. Very good. So that's it. So now we are left with the order of service, the typing. So I have my listing here, the opening prayer and all those stuff here. So I'll copy, then I'll come and paste here. Then I'll paste here. I'll make sure that I'll draw a bounding box here. Then I'll paste here. I'll change the color to color white. No, color black. Then I'll change the alignment to center align. Oh, left aligned. Sorry. Then I'll change the font. I'll change the font to Arial. Nice one. Then I'll change the font size to, I think 12 is okay. 12 is okay. Nice one. So number 1, number 2, number 2, number 4, and we have number 5. We have number 6, number 7 is here, number 8 is here, number 10, I think number 11. Number 11 is here. Very good. Now let me increase the font size a bit. 14 will be okay. Nice one. To have this thing here, so let me type in part 1. We have part 1 and 2. There is a mistake in the parts. Part 1. So then we change the font to impact here. Very good. Then I'll bring it to the top here. Part 1. No. Part 1. Let me increase the size a bit. Yeah, so we have part 1 here. So because this one is just an example that we are using, so just copy, just select all of them here, then I will duplicate it here. Then I'll name this one part 2. But if you are doing it for real, you have to take your time and type everything. Oh, why? Yes. So we have part 2 here. Very good. Now now I have a church here which I want to bring inside a photo or book. Where is the pictures? Yes, the church is here, so I'll drag and drop the church inside here. So I'll just bring the church here. Church here. Yes. See, it has covered this one, so you can bring this one down. Very good. Okay. Maybe the part 1, the part 2 should be mini as well. So let me add another text to it. Copy. I just want to make it longer. That's what I just want to do. Very good. So now we are finished with the first page here. So let's move on to our second page here. So the second page here, we have notes. We have notes. So it's the same font with this order of service. So I'll just with the help of my Alt key, I'll just drag and drop to make a duplicate. I'll change the color to this one. Then I'll change the text. I'll edit the text to notes. I want to make it smaller, little notes. Very good. Then I'll underline it here. Nice one. so it left with our dot or the full stop. So I'll just click on the text to, then I'll edit, so it will go like this. Okay, so I'll just do the first one here. Then I'll copy. I'll make sure that I'll paste. Yes, so I'll paste. Can select again all of the three here. I'll copy. I'll bring it down, then I'll paste. I'll paste another one, undo, make sure that this one is down here, then I'll paste. I can select all of them, copy, then I'll paste. I think let me copy 3. And I'll paste here. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. So guys, we are almost done with our page 1 and page 12. So thank you very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to do so and recommend this channel for another person. Okay, meet you tomorrow. Bye.